So track fans, welcome back to Running Factory. Now, in case this happens to be your first time here, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, we have a serious issue because since the retirement of Usain Bolt from Jamaica has not yet witnessed a new legend, a new GOAT in track and field. In fact, the male sprinting event in Jamaica is currently very, very disappointing. Well, the reason is because they are not performing like the famous sprinting event. Like, they are not giving the energy people are needing for them to deliver. But congratulations to Jamaica, because there's a new boy in town. There's a new boy in town. There's a new king in town by the name Kishane Thomson. He is the fastest man in Jamaica this year. He has the time of 9.83, making him one of the fastest Jamaican in 2023. There is hope that Kishane Thomson is definitely going to replace Usain Bolt, considering the fact that he has these huge muscles. Looking at Kishane Thomson, then you can definitely see that he has the height, he has the muscles, and he also has the energy. I feel like he is way more better than Obilic Civili and Akin Blake, because he has more grown up physique than Oblique and Akin Blake. Yeah. Well, I do hope to see Kishane Thomson in Paris Olympic 2024. And in case you don't know, Kishane Thomson once beat no one else in the Diamond League race that took place in 2023 earlier on. Let me know what you think about Kishane Thomson. Do you feel like Kishane Thomson is going to replace Usain Bolt in the coming future? Do you feel like Jamaica has finally found somebody that will replace Usain Bolt in the future? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.